we have all heard it. Financial freedom, early retirement, living life on your own terms while your money works for you. It sounds great on podcast. It looks very flashy in Instagram reels, but let's bring it back to real life. How does one actually do that without relying on crypto, drop shopping, or hoping your startup gets acquired? For many people who are serious about building wealth without being burnt out, there is one method that keeps showing up all the real success stories. It is called FIRE movement. Financially independence, retire early. But today we are not going to talk about it from a textbook angle. We are going to break it down from the streets of Dubai. Because here is the thing, most people underestimate just how powerful real estate in this city can be when it comes to the FIRE lifestyle. Hello, I am Rahul Anand and welcome back to Dubai with Rahul. If you have been thinking about whether Dubai real estate could be your ticket to financial freedom, whether you are in 25 or 45, you are in the right place. Today we are going to unpack the maths, the mindset, the strategy and what kind of investment can actually let you retire early without living cheap or compromising your lifestyle. So let's cut through the hype and get real. Let's start with the basic foundation. What even is FIRE? At its core, the FIRE strategy is about building up assets that give you enough passive income to cover your living expenses. Once that income is enough to live off the way you want to, you don't need to work anymore. You can if you want to, but if you are not trading time for money anymore, you are in control. Now, traditionally, people try to achieve this through stock investment or index fund. It's the usual, save 50% of your income, invest in ETFs and wait for 20 years plan. That works if you are in the US living frugally and have access to both IRAs and 401ks and the rest. But that's not how things works in Dubai. Here we don't have capital gain taxes, we don't have income taxes, and the property is treated very differently. Which is why when done right, Dubai real estate doesn't just fit into FIRE strategy. It can accelerate it. Now let's talk about the real numbers. You're not going to retire early just because you own a house in Dubai. That's not a strategy, that's a dream. You need a cash flow, you need appreciation, you need system that works without you manually running it. So what's the realistic play? First, focus on income generating property. I am talking about short-term rentals, mid-term furnished units, or even strategically located long-term rentals that bring you consistent ROI. Let us say you invest in a one-bedroom apartment in Furjan or Business Bay. Purchase price is around 1 million dirham. If you play your cards right and manage it well, either yourself or through a trusted service provider, you could generate net returns between 7 to 10% annually. That's after your service charge and management costs. Now multiply that with 3 to 5 properties over the next few years, reinvest the income, and you're looking at a compounding effect that becomes very real, very fast. Here is the mindset shift. Your job isn't to buy a home and hope the value goes up. Your job is to buy income. That is the difference between a consumer and an investor. FIRE is about stacking enough of that income until it matches or exceeds your expenses. Now let's go a bit deeper. Most people chasing FIRE focus only on saving aggressively. That's a part of it, but it's also limiting. The Dubai model allows you to do two things simultaneously: grow your capital and generate income. Because unlike mature markets like London or New York or even Mumbai, where yields are below 4%, Dubai still gives you a solid cash flow with real appreciation upside. Take off-plan property for example. If you buy smart selecting project with solid developers, realistic handover dates and investor-friendly payment plans, you can get in with as little as 10 to 20% down, pay during construction, and either flip it or rent post handover. While this doesn't give you immediate passive income, it sets you up for significant equity growth that you can later refinance or use it to acquire more cash flow assets. Let's also be honest, Dubai is growing. With the 2040 master plan in motion, population estimating aiming for 7.8 million people, and a massive focus on infrastructure, demand for housing isn't slowing down anytime soon. So while other markets are talking about bubbles and corrections, Dubai is positioning itself as a long-term growth hub, especially for digital nomads, entrepreneurs, and global investors. That said, early retirement isn't just about passive income. It's also about expense management, and Dubai gives you flexibility here too. If you are building building your life around property income here. You can live modestly or live like a king, depending on how you position your portfolio. Many fire enthusiasts in Western market talks about retiring in cheaper countries. But with no tax and global connectivity, Dubai becomes a destination you can actually retire in, not just retire through. Let me also clarify something very important. Fire in Dubai isn't just for multi-millionaires. It's for people like me who have become a part of it by living here and living this dream. I have helped and seen clients start with a single investment, let's say for 800,000, a studio in locations like Arjan or Town Square, manage it as a short-term rentals, build steady income, refinance after 3 years, and use that capital to buy their second unit, rinse and repeat. Over time, they have built up a portfolio that completely replaced their 9 to 5 income and more importantly, gave them back control over their time. But here is the catch. Fire only works if you are disciplined. You can't take out cash every time your rental income hits your bank account. You need to reinvest, build, grow, and then enjoy, because real freedom comes when your portfolio is working for you, not when you are living off your first profitable deal. So if you are aiming for that level of freedom, here is what I will recommend you as your roadmap. Start with one income property, make it work, learn everything, get involved. Reinvest the returns. Don't let that money sit, use it to grow. Diversify within Dubai. Look at 3 to 4 strategic areas with different demand segments. Balance short-term and long-term gains. Mix off-plan and ready properties. Systematize everything. Use professional management, automation and tech. You do this right, and within 5 to 7 years, your portfolio could be generating more than enough to fund your lifestyle. Can you retire early with Dubai real estate? Yes, but it is not about luck or market timing. It's about strategic buying, focus execution, and long-term thinking. Fire isn't a gimmick, it's a mindset. And when applied to Dubai real estate market, it can give you a path to financial freedom that is faster, cleaner, and more tax efficient than most markets in the world. But this is not for tourists. This is for investors who are in it with a plan. If that is you, then Dubai isn't just where you invest, it is where you build your freedom. So if you got some mindset shift and got some real value from this, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you want me to break down exact communities or show you live case studies of people who have pulled this off. Once again, I am Rahul Anand and this is Dubai with Rahul. I will see you in the next one.